it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your noodles, and today I got some spicy from South Korea. This is Ottogi Yeul Ramen. Right there. And yeah, it's a large bowl with a large label. So there you go. Like that. You can find this in the US quite easily, and that's what you can do. So the deal is you add everything in. There were some vegetables that were hanging out in the bottom of the bowl. A noodle block, of course. And our sachet of red powder. I don't know if you guys are fans of the 80s critically acclaimed science fiction drama, almost dramedy, known as V. But the way they made the Nazi aliens go away, at least for a while, was with this red dust. And I've always thought, you know, that red dust looks a lot like ramen seasoning. Lizard people just can't handle this stuff. That's the way I'm thinking about it. So, anyways, let's add our boiling water to the line and give it its 4 minutes to hang out. There we go. So what's shaking? It's Thursday, which is a day of the week to those who are new at existence. Happy day to you. So as of what? Was it Friday? No. As of Monday, I had 2 varieties of instant noodles to review. And now I believe after I'm done with this, I will have 45 more to do. I went to S-Mart in Bellevue and loaded up, and went to Evergreen Asian Market in Everett and loaded up yesterday, and I got a few. This one came from H Mart, and big, enormous thank you and I love you to my wife, who got me a kind of an early birthday present. So that's rad, because I was like, I don't know what I'm gonna do about them noodles. But yeah, if you live in Bellevue, Washington, or can get to Bellevue, Washington, there's a place called S-Mart. Just like in Army of Darkness, shop smart, shop S-Mart. Is that Army of Darkness, or is that Evil Dead 2? I want to say it's Army of Darkness. But anyways, you should go there and look at stuff, because there's a lot of neat stuff. I mean, I go there maybe once a year, and there's just so many varieties that I have never seen anywhere else. They have some just bango superstar distributor or distribution contracts with some company. I don't know who, because nobody else is working with them, but wow, they get some neat stuff. And that Everett Asian Market, they get some neat stuff, like the last one I did, that omachi. I've never seen that anywhere else. Never. I've seen it on Amazon, but that's about it. But at that a smart place, I got a huge amount of Chinese varieties that are really cool looking, as well as, God, what did I get? I got Misadop Spicy Laksa. What was that doing there? Wow. But they get a lot of neat stuff. And then I was just looking last night. It was like, huh. I never think about Tacoma, but they've got Asian groceries down there, and they've got some big ones. Like there's one that's just like an East Asian market, and it looks like it's mainly just Vietnamese stuff. That's cool because I don't find a lot of those. Maybe they've got Filipino stuff too. There's one place that I find Filipino stuff that's other than the regular. No, wait. The last time we went to Seafood City, there was nothing that I hadn't reviewed there. So it was like kind of pointless. So yeah, finding Filipino stuff, that's pretty neat. Oh, and I got contacted by my buddy who is a Texas border agent and has access to prison ramen. Yeah. So big shout out to dude. I will not name drop him, which I'm sure is probably a good deal. But yeah, that's pretty cool. You know, I'm like really debating doing a mukbang of this. I don't feel like eating a huge bowl of noodles this morning, I'll be honest. So I am going to skip the mukbang. I know. But let's give it a try. Cheers. Well, first off, the noodle is a little spongy. It's been getting a nice stir. And second off, here, come and look. I've seen people like say that this stuff, oh man, that stuff's hot, man. Whoa. No, that's very mellow. Yeah, definitely. Good. I was planning on doing a mukbang of that, and I'm glad I'm not, because that really would have been kind of a pointless endeavor, because it really doesn't need any kind of mukbangification to speak of. It's got a little burn on the back. I mean, it is spicy, sure, but it's not. I would say maybe as spicy, maybe as like top ramen chili flavor. I'm not kidding. It's really not like killing me in any way, shape, or form. So and a mountain of noodles. Oh my god. That's a lot of food right there, folks. So tonight is the State of the Union. That should be interesting. There will be some kind of tantrum about that. It's okay for those who like to throw a tantrum. There's some crushed red pepper to give it a little bit of spiciness. Onk, onk, onk. And some seeds. So yeah, look at that. Look at that. Doesn't that look like it denotes like hellfire right there? Well, I'll tell you right now. Now, granted, there are plenty of people that don't do spicy and would find this just like really spicy. So, you know, nothing bad on you for that. It's really, but this, I could definitely show you stuff that would make this stuff make you cry. So, anyways, no crying over here. Yeah, cheers. All right, well, that's it for me for today. Cool, got 3 done. And that means I'll be up to review. This last one will be review number 4,932, which means 68 to go to the big 5,000. Thank you for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.